looking here now at a very nice mid-19th century lithographed reissue of a 1797 copper engraved map of the lower portion of Manhattan as it was then inhabited and populated. It's lithographed 1853 by George Hayward in New York. It has a slightly longer inset tab here at the left side. This margin is as issued. This would facilitate the placement of this map originally within a volume. We see that there is a well-done paper repair here for a tear at this little inset tab, which is typical for these types of folding maps. This is a thin bond paper that's still relatively sturdy, but is fragile in the sense that it does tear easily if you're not careful when you handle it. So as long as you handle it carefully, it's fine and should last another 200 years or something. But so we see original fold lines, we see quite a bit of detail. The original 18th century version of this map, of course, is very scarce and very valuable, and so this mid-19th century reissue is probably the one that the majority of collectors today would need to settle for. It's a nice looking map, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.